Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crochet infinity scarf with puff stitches. And if you don't know how to do puff stitches, please do check in the description box below. I'll be giving the link of my puff stitch tutorial video. And all you need to know to make this scarf are foundation chain stitches, single crochets and puff stitches. And to attach the scarf you may need to know slip stitches or mattress stitches as well. So here I'm using 5.5 mm hook and two strands together, two yarns together, light gray and dark gray. Both are 100% acrylic. And if you don't want to use two strands together, you can use one strand, doesn't matter, it's completely your wish. And I want more puffiness for my scarf, so I thought of using two strands together. So grab your hook and let's get started. If you don't know those stitches, please do check in the description box below. I'll be giving the link of those stitches tutorial video. You can practice and you can make this scarf. Okay, so we'll make a slip knot first. Okay, next what you have to do is you have to put foundation chain stitches according to the width you want for your project. Here I'm going to put 22 foundation chain stitches. One thing you have to remember when you do puff stitches, you have to put only foundation chains of even numbers. Okay, so I'm going to put 22 foundation chain stitches. Okay, so here I put 22 foundation chain stitches. Okay, so let's move on to the next row. Next what we are going to do is we are going to extend the length of the scarf with puff stitches. Okay, let's move on to the next row. So next row what you have to do is you have to put single crochets till the end of the row. So skip the very first chain stitch and you have to put single crochet into the second chain stitch. Okay, so insert your hook into the second chain stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together, and yarn over, pull through two loops. Okay, again hereafter no need to skip any stitches. You can directly insert your hook into the next stitch itself. Okay, so insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together, yarn over, pull through two loops. Insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together, yarn over, pull through two loops. Okay, this is what you have to continue till the end of this row. Okay, so pause the video and finish this till here and I'll be right back. Okay, so here I finished putting single crochets till the end of the row, and let's move on to the next row. So put one chain and turn your work, and now what you have to do is you have to do a single crochet into the first stitch itself. Okay, just insert your hook into the first stitch and you have to do a single crochet. Okay, next we are going to put a puff stitch into this stitch. Okay, so yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch and yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together and stretch it maximum. Okay, you should pull it a little bit up. Okay, and again yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together, again yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together. You have to continue this process 3 to 5 times, then only you will get more puffiness. And I'm going to do 4 times. This is the third time. So yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch and yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together. So now what you have to do is yarn over and pull through all loops together, and don't put chain to join this stitch. What you have to do is instead of that you have to do a single crochet into the next stitch, not to the same stitch, in the next stitch. So insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together and do a single crochet. Okay, now we got a puff. Let's continue. Now what you have to do is yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together. So we have to do this 4 times. If you want, you can do 5 or 6 times, that's your wish. Next, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together. Yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together. Again, yarn over, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together. So I did 4 times and I'm going to take yarn and you have to pull through all the loops together. Okay, and insert your hook into the next stitch and put a single crochet. Okay, so this is what you have to do till the end of this row, and once you finish this you have to put 1 chain and you have to turn your work and you have to do single crochets on that complete row, and then you have to start doing this row. Okay, anyways, I'll show you. You pause the video and finish this till here and I'll be right back. So here you can see I finished the first row with puff stitches. Okay, let's move on to the next row. So what you have to do is you have to put 1 chain and you have to turn your work. And now we are not going to do this step, puff stitches. We are going to do single crochets till the end. Okay, insert your hook into the first stitches itself, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So you have to continue doing single crochets till the end of the row. Okay, and once you finish this row you'll put 1 chain and have to turn your work and you have to start doing this step. Okay, anyways, I'll show you how to do that. You pause the video and finish this till here. Okay, so here I finished putting single crochets, and once you finish that row what you have to do is you have to put 1 chain and you have to turn your work and you have to do a single crochet into the first stitch itself. Okay, and you have to do puff stitch into the second stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the second stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull out the hook and yarn together. So you have to do 3-4 times the same steps, and once you finish doing that steps, yarn over and pull through all the loops together. Okay, and insert your hook into the next stitch and you have to do a single crochet. You have to do the same thing as we done in this row. Okay, so you have to continue this till here and you have to put 1 chain and you have to do single crochets like this as we done in the previous row. Then you have to start doing this puff stitches, and you have to do alternately single crochets, puff stitches. This is what you have to do, and you have to work till you reach the desired length. Okay, so here you can see I finished working the length part with puff stitches according to the length I want for my scarf. So let's move on to the next step. Next, what you have to do is you have to attach both the ends of the scarf, then only it will become infinity scarf. So you can attach both the ends with mattress stitches or slip stitches. You have to keep both the ends like this and you have to attach from here till here. Okay, so let's do that. Here I'm using this 3.5 mm hook. As I start attaching from where I stop extending the length of the scarf, I didn't cut the yarn. I'm going to continue with the same strands. So here you can see I finished attaching both the ends with slip stitches. Hope you learn how to crochet infinity scarf with puff stitches. As I told you in the beginning, you can choose whatever crochet stitches you like to make this infinity scarf. I'll show you how to wear it and I'll show you how it look when we wear it. If you found this video is helpful to make crochet infinity scarf, please do like, share and comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon too to get notification when I'm uploading new videos.